I'm Candace and this is Sophie, and we have our first snow day here of the year, which we're excited about. And so we thought we would do some baking. Today we are going to make some cauliflower rolls. I've been looking for some recipes that were more keto friendly, a little healthier, and this was one that I ran across and made a few months ago, and my littlest one loved it. So that tells you right there, you gotta make it again. So come along with us as we make our healthy snack for our snow day. The first thing we need to do is to cut up our cauliflower and put it in the food processor. So I've already cut the bottom piece off, and so now we're just gonna kind of take some florets and we're gonna put them in here. I'm going to stop filling the food processor right here. We're only going to use 3 cups of the cauliflower in our recipe. So I thought I would save some out because Eric loves raw cauliflower, and if I just squished it all up, he'd probably be sad that he didn't have any left over. So we're going to see how much this makes. Woo! My assistant Sophie will be putting 3 cups of our pureed cauliflower into the bowl.
Our next ingredients are coconut flour and almond flour. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of coconut flour and 1 tablespoon of almond flour. Now that all the flour is in the bowl, we're going to put 2 eggs, and then garlic powder and salt. Now we're going to thoroughly mix all of our ingredients.
All that's left to do now is to put it on our baking sheet and get them cooked up. So what we do is we put a little bit in our hand, we kind of roll it up, and then once you put it down on your parchment paper on your baking sheet, you kind of flatten it out a little bit because it will keep its shape when it bakes.
Next is the best part, everything bagel seasoning. Next, I'm going to sprinkle it on the rolls and pat it in lightly. We have our oven preheated for 400, and we're going to put these in the oven for 30 minutes.
We're done with our snow day baking for today, and the only thing left is, of course, to taste what we made. Mom tested, kid approved. This is a great recipe if you're looking for something that's like a comfort food, but also don't want to feel guilty about what you're eating. She obviously does not feel guilty at all. She's just gonna keep on eating. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you decide to bake these, let me know. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I will get back to you. And we will catch you on the next one.